yourself.
Welcome back to 876 Jamaican Topic Decision. Now in this update, we have a few of Jamaica's finest dancehall artists at the Caribbean Music Award. And I must say, congratulations to those that received an award and even for the nominees, because they did a really good job. Now after Sking received his award, he then made a speech. And the question that everyone is asking after this speech is, who is Lucy?
They got chatting. You hear that? Big up to my fans, big up to father, because they hear me tell you, I want Lucy.
Also in this update, Spice walked away with Female Artist of the Year award, and the Vybz Kartel received the Artist of the Decade award. Congratulations to both artists.
And the award goes to Vybz Kartel!
Congratulations to a teacher in a Vybz Kartel, you know. Artist of the Decade award, man.
And I must say, I love the love and support the female artists was giving each other at the Caribbean Music Award. Do remember to leave a like on this video, share this video, comment below and let me know what are your views on these topics. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.
So good, I put it down on the wrong one.
Yeah, any game I play, me I play win. Level it, what are they? Let me see something. Level, listen.